Final video to fix Cyberpunk Phantom Liberty crashing. And if your game keeps closing unexpectedly, listen carefully. Are you facing the problem where Cyberpunk Phantom Liberty crashes while launching or during gameplay? This usually happens because your graphics drivers are outdated, game files are corrupted, or system settings conflict with the game. Sometimes small glitches or hidden issues prevent the game from running properly. Many YouTube and social media solutions show long commands, risky tweaks, or confusing steps that take forever and often fail. On Rexist, I keep it simple and safe. I discovered a secret easy trick that stops Cyberpunk Phantom Liberty from crashing and makes it run smoothly. This trick updates drivers, repairs game files, and adjusts system settings so Windows and the game work together correctly. You do not need advanced skills or extra tools. I tested this method multiple times, and it works perfectly every time. This solution saves time and gets you back into the game fast. Watch fully so you do not miss the key step most guides skip. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial explained slowly and clearly, comment below and tell me you want it. Rexist always delivers real fixes that actually work. So stay tuned and fix Cyberpunk Phantom Liberty crashing the smart way.